time to say goodbye to track home life. Even though these houses look really sick out here. But you know what, guys? My life is about to change forever.
Let's go for a ride. Watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
For those of you guys that don't know, I just purchased an epic house on 20 acres. My dream has come true, baby. But you know what? This new state I'm going to may not accept this as street legal, though. That sucks, man. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that, but I'm not getting rid of this bike. If I have to turn this into a dirt bike, I will, man. You know, I may have to get me a KTM 690 SMCI because I don't want to leave the supermoto life, baby. But you know, whatever bike I get, make sure you guys wear the gear. And if you want to get my gear, which is awesome, like this ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet that comes with an auto tint shield, my motovlog camera, airbag vest to help keep me safe. All my gear, I include links in the description and comment section of my video. Start right up, baby. No valve checks. All I've done is oil changes on this bike, guys. Check it out. And I'm gonna do a little trespassing here because I can. All right, just a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, baby. All right. Acting a fool out here in the residentials. Nobody's out here, though. See what I'm saying? Nobody's out here. If I saw people walking around here, I wouldn't do that, guys. I got you know, more respect. Yeah, I'm not that disrespectful, even though I am a bit of a hooligan since I've got this. Woo! I love this bike, man. This bike is sick. But I'm telling you guys, I am so ecstatic about the new property, man. It's sick. If you haven't seen the full tour that I did on my new property, go check it out. I'll include a video link in this video along with the description and comment section of this video. But I tell you, I can't believe that I got that property. That is like the best property I've ever looked at, ever, and for a sick price. My life is about to change, man. I'm about to be a country boy out here for real. Now, you've been seeing me out here acting a fool out here in the woods. You know what I'm saying? You know, trespassing on city property. I generally don't mess with people's property because I don't want nobody messing with mine. I know one of you viewers are like, CycleCruza, I'm gonna get a WR250R and trespass on your land like you do. I thought that was funny. But I don't trespass on people's lawn. Yo, that little edge, that don't count, man. You know, all the places, most of the places you've seen me trespass in woods and stuff, that's all city-owned land, like our part of our metro park system here in Cleveland. But anyways, man, I'm telling you guys, I got so many plans for this new property. I'm gonna make it like a homestead farm setup, dude. I'm gonna build a great big barn with an apartment above it that I might rent it out, I don't know, for extra income or something. I'm gonna put more trails through the woods on the property. I'm gonna build a huge organic garden. Man, I'm gonna be living a real country life out there, you know what I'm saying? And I could get horses. I thought about, my mom always wanted to get a horse, and you know, I'd love to be able to fulfill, you know, make her dream come true in that aspect. I don't know how it is. It sounds like a lot of work to me. I can't even hardly take care of my dog, let alone a horse. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, baby. I can't wait to get my motorcycle on those twisties, man. That is going to be absolutely epic. I mean, those twisties are so sick over there, guys. Nice and clean roads, and like these potholes we got out here, these crappy pothole roads here in Cleveland. No more crappy Cleveland winters. No more looking at my bike in the garage while it's snowing. You know what I'm saying? But some willies out here, having a good old time out here on my supermoto, baby. Yeah, I thought that was a cop right there. I was like, oh boy, he could have got me, man. I'm telling you guys, I can't wait. I'm so excited, man. And also, where I'm going, man, it's got all kinds of mountain roads. It's got, oh, it's gonna be sick. I'm telling you guys, sick. But like I told you guys, I've been holding off on getting a motorcycle because of the move, because I had a feeling, I knew I was gonna get a property, man. I was getting ready to give up, but I didn't want to have to haul 2 bikes down there. So that's why I sold that, you know, the MTL9, and I figured I was gonna get another one when I get down there. And I don't know, there's so many sick bikes out there, but I may have to get a KTM 690 SMCR, because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make this street legal where I'm going, guys. And I know some of you guys are probably like, CycleCruza, where you going? What state you going, man? I'm trying to keep it on the low. You know what I'm saying? A little bit on the low, because hold on, man. Woo! I love it, baby. Oh, I tell you, I can't wait. I'm so excited, baby. I love it, man. But I don't know, man. You know, I'm just trying to stay low-key out here. You know how I am. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of fools out here, as you guys seen on YouTube. Like one of these well-known motovloggers out here got jacked for his jewelry. Yeah, I have to say, you get out here on YouTube and you floss your jewelry, you show off your jewelry and talk about everything you got. You know what I'm saying? You're asking for trouble. I've seen it happen to many people out here. It's better to stay low-key. You know what I'm saying? That's why some of these YouTubers, I see them, they get into like communities, you know what I'm saying, with armed security guards and stuff. Because I'm telling you, man, the bigger you become on YouTube, you're more vulnerable. You know what I'm saying? I'm not rich by any means. I know some of you guys are like, CycleCruza, dang, man, you pay cash for the property, though. Man, you rich, dog. I am not rich at all, dude. I'm just middle class. But I saved up many years, man. You have to understand, this goes way back, saving up and investing. You know what I'm saying? You know, when I started saving, a lot of you guys would have said to hell with that and would have got a mortgage and got your house right now, what you wanted right now, and then you'd be paying that mortgage payment. As where I held off for many, many years, guys, many years. And save for what I want, because I want to be a complete owner. I want to own my stuff. I don't, you know what I'm saying? I don't want a lien holder, somebody, a debt over my head and worrying about making that payment. All I want to care about is paying those property taxes. And paying those property taxes is a whole lot cheaper than paying that mortgage payment plus property taxes, plus mortgage insurance. For those of you guys don't put enough money down, I mean, and then you miss a few payments and bam, they knock you out of there. They end up taking your equity and they got their property back. You don't own the house, baby. A lot of you guys are like, CycleCruza, why don't you take the money and invest it, and you can get a higher rate of return, like maybe 15% off the stock market, as opposed to putting it into a property. You know, to me, that's not smart to do, because you're messing with stocks. You don't know how it's gonna go, man. You know what I'm saying? And also, you lose your job, you gotta pay that mortgage payment. If you ain't got that mortgage payment, man, they come and take your property. Woo! Yeah, baby, we out here. But anyways, guys, I'm just really excited, man. And I just want to say thank you guys for coming along for the ride. I appreciate all you viewers out there. And man, I can't wait, guys. Right now, I'm still in Ohio taking care of some business. But I'll be out of here in a couple of weeks or so. And I got to go out there, and I got a lot of stuff to do going down there, man. I tell you, it's a lot of stuff you got to do. as you guys know, for those of you guys that own a home, you know you got to go through a whole lot of crap. So got to buy dishes, got to buy furniture, got to buy this, got to buy that, buy this, buy that, buy that, buy that, that. Next thing you know, your wallet's a whole lot lighter, boy. But I'm looking forward to it. It's my dream. If I don't, you know, like it, I feel like as cheap as I got this property, I could flip it in a year probably for $50,000 more than I paid for it. That's how low I paid. That's what a cheap price I got for this property. I tell you, I got a sick deal, man. That's what I tell you, when you pay cash for properties, guys, you can get sick deals because sellers want cash. They don't want to deal with mortgages, man, because banks put people through all these different hoops, and then they can cut out on you and leave you hanging. So, but anyways, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my All Over Motorcycle channel. Make sure to check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto. Deuces.
Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.